Good evening, Beanie and the Church of United Methodist Church. This is a program for the chapter Luke message that you are sharing with all the community in the church. And this is our little beautiful Christmas decorations from the house. Over there you can see that's my mom's little house over there. And this is our little house over here. And let me take you around a little. This is a little inflated Christmas Santa out here. And this is the front of the house where you can see the decorations, the door decorations and the decorations around the gutters. And this is a little Santa creation over here. Some of the inflated balloons over here. There are two tires flat on that little balloon right there. And over here I have put some beautiful lights as well over here. And also you can see the little Christmas wreaths out there and the decorations going all around over here. And let me get into the house. Thank you very much for requesting this beautiful message that you are doing for the chapter of Luke. Let me take you into our little house. Thank you for coming, guys. And this is a crew from the United Methodist Church over in Richmond, Virginia. And here we go. And this is the best part of my house is the great tree that I always have every year. And as a child, I always wanted a train, and God blessed me that God has given me.
This is my favorite part. It's Joanne on the screen. This is my favorite part because my grandpa used to collect trains.
Yeah. I know. My father-in-law used to be a train lover. And this is our little formal living room. And you can see a beautiful Santa Claus over here that I got from Walmart. I got a great deal. All right. And this is a little lantern out here also I got from Walmart. And they have some great products. And if you want to buy all your Christmas decorations, I would advise you to go after Christmas, like around the time on the 28th, 29th, when the Christmas is done. And this is one of our living rooms as well, in addition to the formal dining room. And I got a little tree out here too. And this is a lantern, like I said, over here. And I got the little joy over there that gives us the pride of Christmas, the joy of Christmas 2020. And this is another tree that I have put it into my little coffee room out here. And there you are. I got these lovely tree candles as a gift and a little cross over there as well. And then I got another Christmas Santa Claus that is always being there every year from starting of 2016. I purchased this from a product from Walmart. I got it 50% off after Christmas. So if you want to buy a Christmas gift, all right, and here we go, another beautiful tree that I brought from Walmart, and everything over here is the products from Walmart. I'll tell you, I love the place over there, and I buy all my Christmas carols and Christmas greetings and all my decoration. And this is something that I want to explain as a child. When I was growing up, no matter what, even in so much of difficulty, I always never forget in my life to make the nativity in Sri Lanka. For many years I've been doing this nativity as a child, and God has blessed me today with all these beautiful Christmas decorations in the great country in America. And let me take you to our dining room. I got another lantern out here as well, and this is another beautiful lantern, also a great decoration for your house. And this is our formal dining room, and there's a little decoration on the table as well over here. And I got these small lanterns also. There's a beautiful decorations over here. And this is our kitchen. I'm sure I might want to take all these off. You don't need this to be seen. And there you go. And what else? So that's our main entrance to our house. Like I said, there was a beautiful door decorations for you guys. And thank you very much for joining us today for this little tour, and I look forward to see you guys soon. Thank you. Y'all have a good day. Have a happy Christmas, and look forward to see you guys very soon. Thank you for coming and visiting our house as well.